y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lena Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. In today's video, this is just gonna be a knotless box braid tutorial, guys. I have so many of these tutorials on my channel. This is nothing new or nothing interesting. It's like medium size, long length knotless box braids. If you guys are looking for a full tutorial, I will link those below if you guys need it. I have over 300 videos on my channel, so you guys will be able to find that. I have a whole knotless box braids playlist, but today I decided to do kind of like a story time, so that way it won't be boring looking at this video. Like I said, this is not really a full tutorial. This is more so like a funny little story time to just bypass time and have you guys enjoy this tutorial. Okay, now these braids did turn out really good, so it did its thing. I am going to use something different though. I'm going to use a touchdown edge control and the Blue Magic to moisturize, and the touchdown I'm going to use that to as like the shine and jam product, just to kind of smooth the roots out and get everything good. It worked out pretty well. The only thing I don't really like about the touchdown is that it gets oily pretty quick, kind of like old edge controls did back in the day. So I don't really recommend this product, but I just wanted to use a new product for you guys. So yeah, so like I said, it gets oily. I think they sent me a while ago like 4 or 5 different ones. All the other ones ran out, so I only had that one left, and I was able to kind of get through the style with using that edge control. Okay, it smells really good, y'all. Though it smells great, like strawberries. It's Touchdown have the best smelling edge controls I think I ever smelled, other than Style Factor. So yeah, so guys, I'm just gonna show you guys really, how I parted. It's actually a very detailed video when it came to what I showed, but like I said, I just have so many. I don't want to be so repetitive. So yeah, yeah, guys. So let me just go ahead and tell y'all this funny story. So when I was young, I had to be around 8 or 9 or 10. Y'all, could have been like 10. 10 makes way more sense. So around that time, I was kind of like a troubled child. I feel like I used to steal a little bit, used to lie a little bit, used to bully a little bit. I was just a hot mess when I was a child, right? So my mom always had to kind of find interesting ways to help me learn my lessons when it came to all of the bad things I used to do as a child. But again, I was a middle child, so I feel like I just wanted attention, and any type of attention was a good attention to me, back in the day. So I think I just did anything for attention. So yeah, y'all. So one day, me and my family were at the mall. This is back in the day. Like, I'm from a small country town, y'all. It's called Aiken. It's in South Carolina. And girl, we got one hallway. That's what it was when it was a mall, girl. Now we ain't got no mall. I don't live there no more though. I moved away for college. So yeah. So yeah, so we went to the mall and we went to a jewelry store, or basically an accessory store. So Claire's was the accessory store, y'all. So y'all know what Claire's are. If y'all don't know what Claire's is, it's basically like where you can go and get your little kids like ears pierced for the first time. And it's basically like an accessory store for like young adults, like teenagers, middle school. They have earrings, rings, like little purses, like basically accessories for younger children. So, we go there and I'm just looking at things that I like, and then I see something that catch your girl eye, and I just can't get my eyes off of this necklace. I remember it was like 2 necklaces in like a pack. One was a little bit of colorful. The other one was like silver. I don't know, but the girl felt like she had to have it, okay? And like I said, I'm 10, girl. I don't even think I got allowance, or if I did get allowance, I spent it. All I know is I ain't had no money. So, y'all, you already know how the story goes. You could probably already tell. So I don't even remember like exactly how I did it, but I basically took the necklace and somehow stuffed it in my pants. And basically, when it was time to leave, we left. And I think back then, I don't think Claire's had like a sensory that goes off when you walk out of the store with merchandise that you didn't pay for. So when we walked out the store, ain't nothing go off. So I'm like, oh, I'm good. I got this necklace. But girl, I'm 10 years old. So I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to wear this necklace to where my mama ain't going to notice. You know, like, girl, where am I go? And how I'm going to keep hiding this necklace? My mama will be like, I don't remember buying that. So, yo, we get home. Now, at this point, like, I think in the car, I end up, like, whispering to my sister, like, look, I got this necklace. This necklace is bomb. I cannot wait to wear it. Like, oh, my God. You know, my sister was looking like, my sister was the sweet child. My younger sister, she was the sweet child. And me and my two older sisters, we were a high diggity dong miss. Okay. So... So my sister always like, oh my God, what y'all got going on now? Like, what are y'all doing now? Like, what y'all got going on? I ain't got nothing to do with this. She was the calm after the storm. That's how I always say. So y'all, I get home. We get home. I go in the room. And the minute I get to the room, I throw the necklace behind the dresser. Okay. At this point, me and my sister shared rooms. So she already knew what was going on. Okay. She kind of always knew what was going on. And I threw the necklace behind the dresser and I just left it there. So my mom came in and she was like, y'all need to clean up, like da-da-da-da. So, you know, we started cleaning up the room, of course. And, you know, I know the necklace is back there, but, you know, I'm just hoping nobody, you know, my mama don't find it or anything like that. Y'all, I don't know what happened. To this day, I still feel like my sister told on me, okay? Because... like, literally, we were cleaning up the room, and then my mom came in to the room and literally came in and looked directly behind the dresser. And when she looked behind the dresser, it was a necklace, sis, behind the dresser with the tag still on and everything, right? So I'm looking like, yo... like, it ain't what it looked like, Mom. Like, what? I'm just trying to, in my head, I'm like, how? My little 10-year-old brain could not understand how she found this necklace that fast. I mean, I feel like we was only home for like 20 minutes. I'm like, not the next day. I ain't get to take the necklace out nowhere. I ain't get to wear it to school. Like, I'm just like, this is crazy. But yeah, y'all, like, I could not wrap my little head around what actually went down. I'm like, oh, I'm about to get my ass whooped. Like, I already know it. Because, y'all, I was that child, okay? I was that child you had to make an example out of. I was that child you probably had to I ain't even gonna say what you had to do because everybody like, oh, you know, not hitting children, not no more. Like, that's not really the standard no more. So I'm not even gonna say that. But I was just a child you just had to make an example out of. I'm the child that you had to really like zone in and really teach me a good old lesson, okay? So she seen that and she was just like, she told me to come in the room, like told me and my little sister to come in the living room. And I basically blamed it on my sister. Like, she stole it. It wasn't me. And my sister like, wait a minute, no, I didn't. And I think at that point, okay, my sister finally actually just told on me because she usually don't say nothing. So my mom said, I'm going to call the cops. Like, I can't have thieves in my house. Like, and I'm sitting there crying. I was like, oh, I'm about to go to jail. I ain't going to be able to eat what I want to eat. I ain't going to be able to take a bath. I'm not going to be able to play with my toys. Like, this is terrible. Like, can I bring my Barbies? Like, I just don't know what to think, y'all. I'm about to go to jail for life. I just can't do it. All those people in there big. Like, my little brain was racing, okay? It was racing. So y'all, I basically, so she was saying all that. She was like, okay, well, here's what we're going to do. In order for you not to go to jail, this is what we're going to do. What we're going to do is tomorrow, I'm going to go pick up your cousin. I had an older girl cousin. Her name's Bianca. Shout out to you, girl. You probably watching this video. But she basically was like, you know, okay, this is fine. But what we're going to do is we are going to go back to Claire's with that necklace, and you're going to walk up to the counter and you're going to tell them what you did, and you're going to tell them sorry. I'm like, what? This is like, what do you mean? Like, why can I just didn't understand. I'm so, why you just can't throw it in the trash? Like, you just can't teach me a lesson. Can you just whoop me? Like, I don't want to go all the way up there and tell them I stole from them. Like, I don't want to do that. And she was like, I'm going to send your cousin in there to make sure you do it. Y'all, I was literally pissing in my clothes. I could not fathom going in there and being so embarrassed. So y'all, oh my God. So I'm thinking about this all night. I'm just like, yo, I need to act like I lost his necklace. I need to throw it in the trash. I don't know what to do. So she was like, give me the necklace. I'm going to keep the necklace. And tomorrow I'll give you the necklace back whenever we go back to the mall. So y'all, oh my God. Like I tell you, I'm pissing in my clothes. Like, I'm so scared. I don't know what to say. Y'all, so oh my God. So we go there. The next day gets here. My mom goes and pick up my cousin, and my cousin was like, my mom was like, you ready? So my mom and my sister was in the car. So she was like, go get out the car and go into the mall. So me and my cousin walk into the mall. I mean, I'm walking slow. I'm dragging my feet. I don't want to go. I mean, my heart racing. Back then I feel like it was an anxiety attack for sure. Like, I'm just like, yo, I don't want to do this. This is crazy. So we go to the store. We get the Claire's, y'all. Like 30 minutes later, feel like I was just like, oh no, I can't do this. So y'all, we get to Claire's and it's packed. I mean, it's packed. I'm like, yo, like, this is crazy. Like, why is it so packed today? I think that next day was like a Sunday, like, you know what I'm saying? It was like packed. So I'm like, oh, now I got shit at this point. My stomach hurting. I'm nervous. I'm like, what do I say? How I'm going to say this? All in front of all these people, how I'm going to do it? Oh, y'all. So we walk in. We basically end up getting in line. So the line is super long, okay? So we at the back of the line. It's like 10, 15 people in front of us. And so we get, we wait in line. We probably waited in line maybe 1 minute. And lo and behold, all these little nice people decide to let me cut the line. Because I'm such a cute little girl. Let this little girl get to the front. Let this little girl pay for her necklace. I'm like, no, it's okay. No, it's okay. Y'all, so literally they all push me to the front. No, it's okay, go. So I'm at the front and they're like, okay, like, hi, do you like, is this all you want for your order or whatever? Y'all. My cousin sitting there looking at me. I'm like, y'all don't want to say this. She was like, you better say it. I'm going to tell your mom if you don't. I was like, hey, I'm Taylor. I stole this from the store yesterday and I'm sorry. When I seen the look on them women's faces, I wanted to die. I wanted to pass out. They looked at me like, oh, wow. And I literally just turned around and just walked fast out the store. And then when I got to the car, I was like, I did it. And then we drove off. Y'all, that really scarred me. For real. Like, that really, really scarred me, y'all. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys a story really quick just to show you guys how I'm doing this style. Just give you guys a little bit of entertainment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love y'all so much and thank y'all for tuning in. I will talk to y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.